So we have here this stainless steel rolling rack. It is two-tiered, and it also comes with a shelf at the bottom. So my daughter had begged me for this rolling rack, and it has become very functional and purposeful. She lays out her clothes for the week, and it's really super cute. This can be used for a business or for personal use. We are using it for personal use. It was very easy to build. Probably took about 10 minutes for her to put it together. This is adjustable, so if you don't like the height of this, there are other notches that you can put this bar. This also is expandable, so you can push it the whole way in or pull it out. It's pretty sturdy. Also, what I love is that it comes with a bottom shelf, so you can put a variety of things on the bottom. It also comes on wheels, so if you need to wheel it around, very easily movable. It does come in another finish, but this is the finish that she chose, and it is very useful, very cute, and a lot of customization with it in terms of height and the arm extensions, which is very helpful.